What is this operating system?
Windows 7 Angry Birds Edition.
What? A custom Microsoft Agent character? In the Desktop Skits?
Yes.
Well, that's surprising. Plus, this is the first time you've used your OSes in a video in almost 2 years.
True, mainly, since I favor using the classical characters, since not many videos out there use them. Anyways, let's begin.
Wow, all this bloatware makes me kind of jealous. Maybe someone should make a Bonzi operating system and fill it to the brim with bloatware just like this one.
Hey! I heard your great idea. There's guaranteed to be some sucker who would use it too.
That's true. But who's going to be the first?
I know someone. There he is right there.
You're right. Well, hello there. Yes, you. Do you like what you see here?
Kind of. It could use a hot dog theme though.
Well, what if I told you there's a better OS than this, called Bonzi OS? It will even have a hot dog stand theme.
That sounds amazing.
Stop right there, Bonzi. I see you trying to scam PC Blue. Woo! Not you again.
What a loser. Wait, weren't you just helping him though? Nuh-uh. You were.
PC Blue, is this true?
No. Yes, he was. I was just a bystander.
Okay, then. PC Blue, I am going to let you off with a warning this time.
What the heck was that for? I was bored.
Oh my gosh, is that Angry Birds space in the Save Games folder? I love that game so much. Time to open the folder and play. What? Why is nothing in there? Unfortunately, it had to be excluded from my operating system. Sorry. Darn it. So you'd create a bootleg Windows, but not include any of your games? Yes. Okay then.
Yo, it's the Blob channel here. You see this awesome messenger program? I made it. Because it's purple. Yep. All me. You did this? Of course. Well done, Blob. Thank you for the praise, old man. Where did he go?
Sir, I believe this is the operating system that is infringing on the copyright of Microsoft Windows.
Nonsense. Surely someone wouldn't create a bootleg version of our product Windows 7.
Really? Check the window right now.
Okay, will do. Oh my gosh. Who was responsible for this?
I was.
What the heck even is that?
An Angry Bird, sir.
What seems to be the issue here?
There is none.
He copied our operating system and violated our copyright. Is that so?
I can do what I want.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Oh no!
Thank you. I actually thought I was going to get slingshotted. You're welcome. This ain't the first time I've been bird hunting.